Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
The ultimate meatball.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to make some veggie lasagna roll-ups with my favorite veggies here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I'm Frankie Meatball, I have a cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Frankie Meatball, take some time and enjoy my show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
I made my early morning grizzles, cause for me, it's Sunday morning, and you know what goes good with Sunday morning? A nice cup of Bada Bing coffee. Check out their website, get yourself a Bada Bing coffee. They spell it like I say it, C-A-W-F-E-E, Bada Bing coffee. Today, I'm gonna make some veggie lasagna roll-ups. I've seen these roll-ups all over the internet. I'm like, yo, you know what? That's nice. Everybody gets a little boom. You know, you don't gotta worry about cutting lasagna. It's a little neater, right? I like lasagna just like the next person. I like the veggies lasagna. I like regular lasagna with the meat, right? I'm gonna use fried eggplant, fresh sautéed spinach, roasted peppers, and some ricotta cheese. Again, what you want to do with the ricotta is you want to drain the water out of it. See, I already drained it, but there's still more water, so I'm going to pour that out. Like in my other videos, whenever I use the ricotta cheese, I always let it lay out overnight with some weight on it to drain the water out. You want to drain all that water as much as you can. So what I did it fast and easy. I put it in a kitchen towel, which my wife's probably going to kill me when she sees the look of it. But anyway, I put it in a towel, and I just turn it and squeeze it and try to get as much of it out as possible. I like to keep it simple. I'm going to use some fresh parsley. Okay, we're going to cut some fresh parsley up here. We're going to get some of that up. You can't have lasagna without the ricotta cheese. Okay, you can skimp out on the meat, but not the ricotta cheese. You gotta have the ricotta cheese. That's just me, you know what I'm saying? Fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can use the shake. Now with the cheese, I like just to keep it simple. I like to throw some parsley, some people put eggs. Hey, look, decorate it how you want to decorate it, okay? But I'm gonna do me. So all I'm gonna keep it simple is I'm gonna put some fresh parsley in there, okay? Some salt. Taste, it's up to you, and some pepper. You want to get yourself a whisk, okay, and whisk your cheese, okay? The more you whisk it, the lighter and fluffier it gets, okay? Look at that. See that? Boom. All right, so it gets nice and fluffy, right? I could show you how to fry eggplant, but everybody knows. I could show you how to cook spinach. Everybody knows. And I can show you how to open a jar. Roast the peppers, because I ain't standing over the stove and roasting them like my grandma used to do, right on top, you know what I'm saying? Get yourself some mozzarella, because you're going to put it on top, watchy, nicey. I'm going to go get some of my grizzles that's been cooking since the morning time, right? Before we get in the rolling, right? First thing you want to do is get yourself Pyrex, whatever you put your lasagna in, right? You want to put some sauce on the bottom. So the lasagna shells don't stick. Very easy, very simple, and it's a good way to have some lasagna, okay? So let's get our lasagna shells, pasta, whatever you want to call it, eh? Right? We're going to put just a drop, just a drop of some risotto, sauce, gravy, whatever you guys want to call it. Just a drop, like glue. You use it like glue, right? You get your fried eggplant, eh? Boom. And we're going to do another one like that. Now you got your eggplant down, right? Get your fresh spinach. Now, just put a little bit, look at that. You know, because we're going to roll it up, okay? Alright, some spinach, you want to do a little more, you do a little more, okay? Now my favorite part is the peppers. Love roasted peppers. little more, just a teeny weeny polka dot bikini, okay? Just a little more. All right, now, you wanna get your cheese, put some cheese right down there, okay? Now you wanna roll. Nice, fold, boom. Boom, look at this, looking nice, hold that. Look at that, huh? And you get that and you stick it right there, look at that. Very nice, huh? Now see me, normally, I would say, man, I'm not using that, it's cracked. I know there's a lot of people like out there like that. Like fresh bread, right? If your bread is squashed, it doesn't taste the same. You cannot eat squashed bread. And you can't use cracked pasta for lasagna. But we're rolling it up. And we're going to use the eggplant. So, my OCD, I can handle this. Look at that, the blue. Woo! All right, let's get some, oh yeah, look at that. Bada boom, baby. Just like bada bean, bada boom. All right, get some of your spinach. Oh, make sure your oven's at 350. You get your roasted peppers. You gotta have the roasted peppers. Oh my God, yes. Just a teeny weeny polka dot bikini, okay? And then we're gonna get the ricotta. You gotta have meat with lasagna. I'm in a veggie kind of mood, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna roll it up again. Right, make sure you hold it in case they want to slide. All right, you don't have to roll too big. Just, kind of fold it on top of each other. All right, look at that, man. That's like a sandwich. Whoa, huh? I'm gonna make two for you. You got everything in the pan, right? So, hey, Frankie Meatball over there. How you doing? It's my cousin. It's Tony Marinara. So anyway. You got your lasagna rolls, right? You put some sauce on top, right? Some sauce on top. Look at that, nice. Nice. Now you could just leave it like that, or you could just go another level. Cheese. Got a batch, just throw it on. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick this in the oven on 350. Melt the cheese, warm everything else up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Look at that. Put that down. Hey, what do you think about that, guys, huh? Lasagna roll up. You could use veggies, you could use meat. If you have a request, email me. If you have a recipe that you want Frankie Meatball to do for you, send it to me, guys. I'm telling you, cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. Look,
I can get milk at the supermarket.
all this time. What are you, milking the cow?
The line is super long.
This line was super long. So, do you remember your line?
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play my favorites like Ozzy Osbourne, Twisted Sister, Motley Crue, and lots more others.
So, did you have any of my new coffee yet?
No?
Bada Bing Coffee, baby. They spell it the way I say it. Don't forget, bada bing, bada boom. Put it in your cup, and guess what? What? Let's tell them. Should we tell them? Oh, you want to go get some more milk? Should we tell them?
We should tell them.
I don't know. We should tell them?
I think we should tell them.
Let's tell them. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.